So the next stage that we do is we wax it. We've got to put the wax on, leave it 10-20 minutes, take the wax off. As I said before, that we do it down to a 500 grit sand on the top and the sides, and they polish up really well. I mean, even now we've only just put the wax on there, which is beeswax by the way. Put the beeswax on there and it's not been polished yet. The cloth that he's using at the moment is the application cloth, not the finishing cloth. And you can see the sheen on it. If you look into where the window's shining on it, you can see there's a sheen already. Which is lovely. In the wood, all the knots in the wood and the cracks in the wood, it's all come out. We do actually advertise these with knots and cracks, and the cracks do get bigger over time, which is natural. It's nothing for any customer to be alarmed of. It's designed that way. It's railway sleepers, so it brings everything out. If you look at the knots there, you can see how beautiful they are. And if you're going to buy one of these, we always choose our wood very, very carefully and make sure we get the right stuff. And we actually choose it with knots, and the more the knots the better, because that's the character. We choose it with cracks, which is something like that. The legs are screwed in and they're doweled to conceal the screws as well. And there you go. Next video will be when it's getting polished.